One of my favorite things about fall is the warm colors and the cozy vibes. And so today I am so excited to bring more of those elements into one of my most sacred spaces, our master bedroom. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. The two most important places for me inside my home are my kitchen and my bedroom. Out of all the rooms in our home, the two spaces that I want to feel the most relaxed and simple and inviting are the two places that I spend the most of my time, which as a mom and a homemaker is the kitchen and our bedroom. My bedroom has always been a safe place for me, the place that I love to wake up in and to welcome each new day. It's where I love to read and where I love to stare out the window and watch the leaves fall and the sun rise. That's why I believe it's so important that we honor these spaces in our home that mean the most to us. It's why I feel like there is nothing silly or wrong or frivolous about wanting to invest time into making your spaces beautiful and warm and cozy so that you can get the most out of them, so that you can feel truly at home in your home. One of the first ways that I'm doing this is by switching out this print here above my sewing table. All I did was go to Etsy and search for autumn landscapes, and I found this beautiful mountainscape with pine trees and auburn leaves. I knew it would be perfect here above this space. I'm switching out these yellow stems for these beautiful Hearth in Hand stems from the Magnolia collection I actually picked up at Target this past week. I normally wouldn't spend money on stems like this, but since I don't often go to Target and I saw these, I immediately fell in love with the weight of them, and I knew that these are going to be a staple for me for years to come. Another space that is so easy to bring in more warmth and cozy elements is our dresser. First, I want to show you this beautiful glass jewelry bowl. I'm not honestly sure what to call this. I picked this up for $1 at the flea market last weekend. So if you know what this is called, let me know in the comments. I would love to actually know the proper name of this. But another thing that I am looking to compliment is this frame that I have here of my husband and I. This is actually from our family pictures that were taken last fall. And it was really this picture that sort of inspired this bedroom refresh. With the dark tones and the leaves in the background, I knew I wanted to bring more of that yellow and brown and red into our room and into the rest of my home. Along with clearing the space, I'm just giving everything a good wipe down, because Lord knows that it is so easy to put off things like dusting, and these are the things that just tend to come with more seasonal cleaning. these deeper cleaning practices are things that I don't do every single day, but when I take the time to do it, it gives me that feeling of freshness and newness, and I'm always so thankful when I remember to take this step for myself. Now that everything's wiped down and put back in place, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a beautiful fall arrangement in this vase. Now, in the past couple of videos, I've shared with you how I've been spray painting old stems of mine to give them new life and to honestly give them a brand new look. And that is exactly what I did here with these stems. I took a bunch of old eucalyptus stems that I had in my spring and summer bins that were going unused, with some other floral stems that I had touched in such a long time, and I gave them a coat of spray paint, and here they are looking brand new. And honestly, I am so in love with how this came together. Other touches I knew I wanted to make was by adding in a cozy fall candle that I picked up at the dollar store, and a couple of pumpkins that I pulled out of my fall bin. And I just really think that it doesn't take a lot to bring in those fall touches, but a little really goes such a long way. The last and final touches I wanted to make in our bedroom was to switch out our duvet cover and our throw pillows. This is one of those investments that definitely it's going to cost a little bit more. I think I spent $40 on this duvet cover set, but again, when I make these purchases, I definitely am always thinking about the long term. I definitely don't buy these very often, but it is important to me and something that I'm keeping in mind since we got this brand new bed. Invest in quality over quantity and to slowly build up my collection of sheets and duvet covers and pillow covers that I can switch out for the seasons and the years to come. I love how this gingham duvet cover is looking on our bed. I am so glad that I was able to find it in a duvet set, because I think that this is such a simple touch, but brings so much coziness and just screams fall to me. Along with these rust-colored pillow covers that I think pull out the colors from the painting above our bed, and along with the florals and the rest of the room. And just like that, with a few touches, we are saying goodbye to the summer and hello to fall. hope that this video inspires you to pay attention to those spaces of your home, to take time this season to refresh these spaces, to bring more warmth and coziness so that you can enjoy it to its fullest. And as always, if you love this video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what were your favorite pieces and elements, and what space in your home are you going to refresh for the fall season. And if there's anything that you would like a link to, I would be happy to share it. And until next time, my loves, bye.